Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download contact synchronization for Salesforce and Gmail, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type Salesforce contact synchronization for Gmail into the search bar. Press enter to initiate the search. Look for the official Salesforce App Exchange link. Click on the link to access the App Exchange. Once on the App Exchange, locate the search bar. Type Gmail integration in the search bar. Review the search results for the Gmail integration for Salesforce. Click on the application link. Read the descriptions and details provided on the application page. Look for the Get It Now button. Click the Get It Now button to begin the download process. You will be prompted to sign in to your Salesforce account. Enter your Salesforce credentials and log in. Follow any on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Select the appropriate organization where you want to install the integration. Review the terms and conditions before accepting them. Click on the Install button to start the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, return to your Salesforce dashboard. Navigate to the Setup menu in your Salesforce account. In the Setup menu, search for Gmail integration in the Quick Find box. Select Gmail integration and sync from the list of options. Follow the on-screen prompts to enable Gmail integration. Now, you will need to connect your Gmail account. Click on the Connect button next to the Gmail option. Sign into your Gmail account and grant the necessary permissions. Once connected, adjust the synchronization settings according to your preferences. Choose how you want contacts to sync between Salesforce and Gmail. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.